Okay, so these are the new Cougar lights. Cougar, yeah, sorry, it's upside down. I already tested that one in this socket and it worked. This one in this socket does not work. Watch. Go turn the lights on. Lights are on. No light, as you can see. Now watch. Turn the lights off. Come over here. Try to juggle this stuff while I keep the camera live. Sorry about this. Let's see what happens here if I do it this way. So, yeah, sorry, this is about as live as I can keep it. So I'm gonna get this one off. It's just got these little clips on here. Off. So I'm gonna set that one right here. Well, we'll actually put it up here. I don't know if that's blocking anything. It's not. Here's the new one, or the other one. Put it in. It's clipped in. Turn the lights on. And bam.